When you communicate with schools, right, you have to communicate. If your child is struggling, it's very frustrating to see your child struggle and not understand why. Maybe the teacher does, maybe the teacher doesn't. I'm going to give you a couple tips of how to navigate this in a very gentle way. And you have to realize this. I'm going to go number one, understanding. You have to understand that yes, it's your child that's being affected, and that's very tough to do. I get it, because I used to be that one that struggled too. There's more than just you in the classroom, and they have many, many other kids they have to deal with. So please just understand where they're coming from and trying their best to help your child be successful. So just having understanding. Number two, listen. Listen, see what they're seeing is going on. See if you're seeing that child struggle like you are. And if you have a 504 IEP in place, then they have to have those accommodations ready to go in this classroom. If you don't have it in place, I would recommend getting it. That would be really critical to your success. So really see what the teacher is really seeing, what you're seeing, and go from there. And I would say the third thing is be involved. If you have the time, that's fantastic. If you don't, completely understand. But I have found if you're very involved and they see you're involved and really care about the community, that could help you out in that way. So just make sure that you understand those couple of things going into it. That will make a huge difference for you and your student to become successful in school. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a wonderful rest of your day.